Pero buka tayong passenger talaga ba?
Gawa ko siya. Everything is okay with your paper.
Uy, sinabi ni Brian.
Guys, dito na. Yesterday, so I met the UAAP and NCAA board. So they are there to support us. They'll be sending students sa opening, and they're there also to cheer for our Alas Pilipinas during the opening day. So I look forward to have all the volleyball fans around the Philippines. Kayo, lots of media. Nagpa-accredit na ba kayo? Okay na? Nagpa-accredit na kayo ha. And that's an exciting game, Philippines-Tunisia, and exciting, unforgettable opening ceremony with surprise guests. Dito na. Okay.
Dale, dale.
Ay, makagat ka! Ay!
Ay, nakarap dito. One word fast. Ram ng tawag.
Kanina yung kamay na yun. Thank you!